Okay, so it's like almost 6:40 in the morning, and this is a first. This is the early bird special of Eibs Pond. Hopefully, no funny business happens. Here we go. I don't think there's going to be enough light to really see anything in the pond, but we'll try. Come on, Earl. Whoa, wait. What is in the water? Oh, I think it's the Canada geese. Oh, wow. I think the hooded mergansers are like right there. Oh, it's too dark. Too dark. Too dark. Yeah, I think the Canada geese are here right now. That's new. Well, I mean, I guess because it's so early. But I did see some hooded mergansers up close, but unfortunately, it's too dark right now for my camera to pick it up. But, you know, it is kind of cool to be in here this early. I'm just gonna go around the pond, the main pond. I'm not gonna go to the bridge. It's a little too dark for that. Oh, a cat just went by. Well, orange cat just ran by. Don't know if I caught it on film, but that's a first. Oh, he smells something. He's got the scent. Come on. Ah. Let's see. Oh, there's all the geese. I think I saw it was probably a cat running up ahead, which explains why Earl is so determined to follow the trail. Alright, come on, Earl.